Okay, next stop is the pharmacy. And this is a place where clear English really matters. It's Wednesday afternoon, and I'm feeling a little tired. I also need to pick up a prescription. So I go to the pharmacy. Pharmacies can sometimes feel a bit stressful, but don't worry. With the right English phrases, it becomes easy.
Hi there. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'm here to pick up a prescription for Emma Collins.
Sure, let me check. Okay, I found it. Do you have an ID?
Yes, here you go.
Thank you. All right, your prescription is ready. Have you taken this medication before?
No, it's my first time. Could you tell me how to take it?
Sure. Take one tablet twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening. And make sure to take it after a meal.
Got it.
Do you have any allergies to medication?
No allergies that I know of. Are there any side effects I should know about?
Some people feel a little sleepy or dizzy, but it's usually mild. If anything feels unusual, come back or give us a call.
Okay, thank you. Also, do you have anything for a sore throat? Something over the counter?
Yes, we have throat lozenges and a mild spray. Do you prefer something natural or stronger?
Maybe something mild, please.
No problem. Here, these lozenges work well, and they don't taste too strong.
Great. I'll take them. How much is everything?
The prescription is covered by your insurance, and the lozenges are $6.50.
Okay. Can I pay by card?
Sure. Just tap your card here.
Perfect. Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. Take care and feel better soon.
Thank you. Have a nice day. All right, my friends. Great job following the conversation. Now, let's look at some super useful phrases you can use at a pharmacy in real life. I'm here to pick up a prescription for. This is what you say when you go to the pharmacy to collect medicine your doctor ordered. Just add your name at the end. Example, I'm here to pick up a prescription for Emma Collins. Have you taken this medication before? The pharmacist asks this to know if the medicine is new for you or not. If it's your first time, the pharmacist will explain to you how to use it safely. Could you tell me how to take it? A polite and simple way to ask for instructions. It helps you take the medicine safely and correctly. Take one tablet twice a day. This means one in the morning and one in the evening. Twice a day means 2 times a day. Do you have any allergies? Pharmacists ask this to make sure the medicine is safe for you. If you have no allergies, you can say, "No allergies that I know of." Are there any side effects? Ask this when you want to know how the medicine might make you feel. Possible side effects might be feeling sleepy, dizzy, or a little tired. Something over the counter? This means medicine you can buy without a doctor's prescription. Use this when you need simple medicine for cold, headache, sore throat, etc. The prescription is covered by your insurance. This means you don't have to pay for the medicine because your health insurance pays for it. You only pay for extra items like the throat lozenges.